I'm gonna turn it up a little bit more this time, as Lil Baby say, okay? Hey everyone, what is up? My name is Ramala. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a very special video planned. If you could not tell already by the title of the video, I will be building my own computer. Don't worry, I will show you guys all the different parts, let you in on all the specs and stuff later on in the video. Thank you so much for all the love and support that I received on my first video. It really meant a lot to me. It really pushed me to keep going and just keep bringing you guys great content. So that's what I plan on doing. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video about me building my own computer, because this is my first time building a computer, y'all. So just bear with me, okay? So about all my parts and stuff, I went to Micro Center, and the young gentleman there was just very nice, very helpful, able to help me, you know, figure out which parts were best for me, figure out which ones were compatible with each other, and that's just how I got my build. So let's get started on these details. So the first thing I want to show you guys is the motherboard. I already kind of opened it, just being thirsty, but this is the motherboard that I got. I got the ASUS ROG Strix B550F gaming with the Wi-Fi on the motherboard. So yeah, the reason why I chose this one is because like I like first of all, I'm a RGB. I love the lights, y'all. So let me tell y'all that. So that's kind of, I like the little, I think it's pink. I'm hoping that it's gonna be pink when I turn it on, but maybe it's gonna be red. I'm not even sure, but I like it. So that's what got me on this board, really. So the graphics card that I got is the Radeon RX 570. So like, for this to be my first build, you know, I'm not trying to go too crazy with anything. And then I plan on like not even like really like going crazy with the gaming and stuff. I might game a little here and there. So if y'all got I'm thinking about making a Twitch. So if y'all got any like games, any ideas or anything that y'all think that I would like, let me know. Let me know. Like I like games. I like games that's like simulation games that got like a storyline and stuff. Like I don't really like shooting games too much. Like I don't really like that. But yeah, I mean, okay, I play zombies on Call of Duty. That's the most that I'll do on a shooting game. But like any or zombies or zombies. Yeah, that's the only stuff I would shoot on the video game. Other than that, I don't like all that other stuff. But yeah, if you got any games that you think that I would like, let me know. I plan on playing The Sims. I've been playing that my whole life, so I'm gonna turn it up a little bit more this time, as Lil Baby say, okay? I didn't really go too crazy on the storage or anything for the most part. And then I got the RGB CORSAIR Vengeance RGB Pro. And this is for my RAM. This is my RAM, y'all. I got, I think 2 of them coming here if I'm not, 2 of them coming here if I'm not mistaken. And it's gonna light up so pretty. That's all, that's what I really care about, y'all. Like my computer, I need it to light up, okay, like a light show. I really went with liquid cooling for my build, just simply because the fans, I just don't like the bulkiness. Like I want my build to just be as clean as possible and stuff. So like I really like the look of liquid cooling. Like look at this, y'all know what I just say. I like for it to light it up, right? I love a light show. For my next order of business, I have my AMD Ryzen 7. I went with the CORSAIR 650 watt power supply. on, guys. I am so happy that this build is finally complete. Yes, a success.